discuss this event, last event, at PF status. Okay. So this event will trigger when our users clicks on any function buttons. Okay. So in our laptop, what are the function buttons we call normally?
F, right? F1, F.
Yeah, function keys will start from F1 to F1, F2, F3, F4 till F12. We are able to see in the last 4 or 5 laptops. I mean, last 4 or 5 years, what are the laptops we are using? We will see, but in initially 2 decades, I mean, 20 years before and all, there are number of function keys are available, like F1 to F24. So initially, that is this RPF status was defined like that. So it is supported for all the function keys. Few laptops are supported till F24. So it is supported for till F24 function keys. Okay. So at PF, we can mention the function key which one we required, F1, 2, 3, 4 options. Based on that, if you press that function key, automatically that particular second list will be called. Okay. We'll see in the report level. At PF status. Package and transport. So no advertising we are regularly using to suppress the list heading. Now I'm just directly starting with startup selection. Just writing basic program to understand this. I'm not going to write any vendor or sales related kind of report. Okay. Perform. Some sample subroutine I'm creating. Some parameters using some value. So let me generate this subroutine. Double click on this subroutine. We can create in this main program. I'm just writing. Okay, only just 2 lines I'm displaying here. Like, no declaration is required. Number. Activate this. Are we able to see the list number here? Hello?
Yeah, Kishore, yeah.
This is just basic report. So we are displaying the first content. Okay, I will make it as 0. Okay. So we are displaying this is the interactive report after 40 characters. List number. So this list number will come to this variable because this is the actual value. This is the formal parameter. This will carry the value and we are displaying here with this. And I'm just displaying system ID system. This is for just to display something on the screen. This is not relevant to this. Okay, you can see the list number 0 here. Okay, this is a basic output only. Now we'll see how that RTF status will work. Okay, so I'm just calling that TF5 perform. I'm calling same subroutine. F5. Created. I'm calling this same output using these two function keys, F5 and F6. Okay, this is a basic output. Okay, now I'm just pressing F5, my keyboard. Nothing. I need to press function key F5. Are you able to see this here? Function key, it is displaying as F5.
Yeah, Kishore, yeah.
I mean, output will change. Output only you can see here because we are using same output for both, right? Here also we are calling same output only. Only this value will change. Can write as a function key. Function key and yesterday is the system variable for listing that. So this is a basic one. Function key we will mention 0, list number 0. If I press F5, you see here function key 5, list number 1. If I press F6, function key F6, list number 2. But here we don't need any dependency. We can directly display content. Hide and all we are not using. And F5 again, see list number is increasing. F5, F6, you can see list number is increasing. If I'm keep on pressing F5, F6, maximum how many we can create list numbers in interactive? 20 list we can create. It is at 20. These are the list numbers. Okay, after that, we'll get the dump. You can see the maximum number of nested screen levels is currently restricted to 20. More than that, it will not come. We'll get this message, list too many levels. So in this report, just understand how these functions are working. So we mentioned these functions at TF, at TF6. You can write anything here, either subroutine, function model, select queries, anything we can write that will work. But when this will work, whenever you press F function key F5, then only this will work. Yesterday it was not like that. If you're at user command, if you're clicking something on that application toolbar, a standard toolbar, it is working. But in outline selection, if you are double clicking on the output body of the screen, it is working. There are 3 scenarios here in interactive report. And top of page during the line selection, that is only for heading purpose. Okay. Is this clear how this is working at PF status? And usage of at PF status is very less. At user command we are using, at line selection also we are using regular. This are all we already covered.